Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on my 5th generation Ram 1500. So let's get to it. First thing you're gonna want to do is to remove this, it's like a wire. Basically what it does is when you release the glove compartment, it allows it to come down slowly instead of slamming down. So the way that you release it is, and I already started working on this yesterday, but you see there's like a circle on this side, and you basically have to just kind of rotate it such that the circle clears the hole. And then you can just release it completely. All right, I'm gonna try my best to show you what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna squeeze this back and then push such that this tab is able to clear that side. You have this on this side that helps. On this side you don't. Let me show you. On this side you don't. It's a solid piece. So let's see if I'm able to do the same thing over there. Got this one back in. Nope, back up on the side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is push. There we go. So I had to push this back like that, and then at the same time use my left hand and push inward, and then it releases. That's my wheel lock right there, and a bunch of stuff in here that I probably should have taken out. So let me grab the camera right here. You're gonna see there's 3 hinges. You don't really need to take those out. I'm just gonna let it chill like that. Although mine, for whatever reason, the left 2 hinges wanna come out. Okay, so there you see the cover for the air filter. You have a tab right here, and you also have a tab here. So what you're gonna want to do is squeeze in both of those tabs and release. When you squeeze in those tabs at the same time, you're gonna pull back the rectangle cover such that it comes off. This is what I was talking about. You squeeze in this side, you squeeze in this side, pull the cover off. And there's the filter. And you see the arrows pointing downward. Yeah, my filter is pretty dirty. So let's toss that out to the side. I got this one from Amazon. The ones from Advanced Auto and AutoZone were just way too expensive. So I'm hoping that this will perform just as well. Although it's kind of weird to have a Bosch German part on a American car. I'm just gonna take this off now, or take it out of the box rather. Comes wrapped up. I got this because it was rated as a HEPA filter, and since I have allergies, it's got arrows for direction, so I'm gonna just slide it back into the slot, just like that, and then we're gonna put the cover back on, like so. I must say, I've changed a bunch of these filters before. This one isn't too bad. In my opinion, Honda does it the best. Super easy to get to. Mercedes, pain in the butt, have to lie on the floor and get it from like underneath here. So the filter, this filter is slightly bigger, so it's just taking some finesse to get it to clip on both sides, the cover. There we go. You hear that nice snapping sound, and you know that it's in, and I'm checking on both sides that it's tight, and it is. So then the last step is to put this glove box back on, pull out, you're gonna wanna pull out the spring wire or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna hold the camera like that over there. Pull it out. And let me try this again. So I got the hinges lined up. I pull out the tension wire as far as it goes. You saw I basically shoved the glove box back in so that such that the two clips on both sides get past the little nubs on the side, and that's what made the noise. And then I am reattaching this, just slides into the hole, like so, and rotate it. And then lift it up, because one circle is bigger than the other. So I slid it up to the smaller circle so that it won't come out. Yep, that's it. And now just put everything back in the glove box and we're done.